Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a quality report, which is like a test page on a HP Envy 5020. Now, this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself using nothing but the touchscreen found on the front of the machine. Now first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, a home icon will be lit on the left here, which you can press to be taken here. So, first of all, we need to go into Setup, which is this button on the right, and then we go into Tools. From Tools, we drag the page up, and we've got Print Quality Report sat here. Press that, and this will take your printer just a minute. And when it's done, your printer will give you a page that looks something like this. Mine is lacking in the 3 colors because I only have a black cartridge installed at the moment due to a technical issue. But yours should look a little more like the one on screen. And from here, you're just looking for missing colors or stripes through these boxes, which would indicate an issue with the black, cyan, magenta, or yellow that your printer uses. If you do notice there are stripes or missing colors, I recommend running the cleaning cycles, also available from the tools menu, which we have a separate video for on our channel if you're interested. But I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.